Hey guys, it's Yoshi here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Mario from frame perfect jump. So here we go. What you need is some black wool. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then if you need some help with doing that bit, just place 4 there, and then place 1 there, and arrange those blocks. And then do the same with the other side, but the other way around. Now I'm going to zoom out each time so you can have a look and you can pause the video if you need some help. So that's what we're building. Next, you need some blue wool. Put 3 there, 3 there, 3 up there, and another 3 up there. But no, you just put 2 there. And then you get that. And just start here, go over to there. And then start here again, place the yellow, place 2 there, place the yellow, and place that there. Then you just do that, of course. And then this time you place 2 there and 2 there with 4 red walls in there. And then for the top, you have to place 3 blocks there, 3 blocks there, 2 blocks there, 1 block there, and down there. And then under that, you're going to place 7 blocks. 5, 6, 7. Yep, you've got that correct. And well done. You can go back to the start of the video if you got anything wrong. And then just go do the same on the other side, but the other way around. Yep. So basically you need to do all of that first and then do the same. So yeah, and then you get that. So now for the head. This will be a tricky part. So you have to go from there to there. And then start from there, go to there with this. Place 1 there and 1 there. And then place some of this there. And you'll find out the magic. When you place 1 there and 1 there, it looks ugly, but look what you get. You get this. Yeah? You just have to place a block up there and then arrange that one. And then just leave 2 spaces at the top for the hair. Yep. With brown wool, place 2 blocks there. And the final bit is very easy. All you need to do is do that. And then place them up there. Now you're done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember, I am Yoshi. And I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye bye. Oopsie, I forgot something. The ears. So if you want to do the ears, it's easy. White to locker and then just place 2 down there. And there you are. Now you have to put Mario doing that face. And I'll just fix this one. Alright, we'll do another one as well. We'll do Luigi. Right guys, this is what you get. Yep, you got it. Well done, guys. I'll just put everything back in my inventory. And I'll say a great goodbye to you guys.